All right, for this video, I wanted to talk about the New Jersey State Earned Income Tax Credit. So the federal Earned Income Tax Credit is certainly very popular, right? That is filed and calculated on your Form 1040 every year. So the federal Earned Income Tax Credit is a tax credit for taxpayers that have earned income and generally have one or more qualifying children. Now, you can get the EITC at the federal level if you don't have any qualifying children and you have earned income that falls below a certain threshold. Well, what a lot of individuals don't know is that many states, New Jersey included, have a state version of the earned income tax credit. And the tax credit is calculated as a percentage of the federal portion. Now, New Jersey has the state EITC, and it's generally 40% of the federal amount. So in order to get started, you first have to compute the federal earned income tax credit, and then you take a percentage of that on your New Jersey return. So in this example, we have John, taxpayer. He's a single filing taxpayer. He doesn't have any dependents, so no qualifying children. But his earned income of $18,000 does put him below that threshold for the earned income tax credit at the federal level. So he is going to be able to get it at the federal level. He just has to complete the worksheet and take the earned income credit. So if we look at an earned income credit worksheet at the federal level for John, we have his $18,000 in earned income. And then if we looked up the $18,000 on the earned income credit tax tables for 2021, that is, $18,000 for a single filer with no qualifying children would result in $521 of a federal earned income tax credit. Okay, so the $521 is then reported here on line 27 on John's Form 1040, right? So we have line 27A, the EIC of $521, and now he's ready to move on to his New Jersey state return. Right, so the New Jersey state return, this is a 2021 New Jersey 1040, right? So John completes everything as he normally would as a New Jersey resident. But in this year, what he's going to be doing is he's going to be calculating the state portion of his EIC. So the state has a worksheet that you can include with it. So we have our earned income credit worksheet here for New Jersey. And you can see here that the starting point is the federal amount of the earned income credit, right? So remember, you start with the federal piece of the credit, and then New Jersey, again, it's 40% of whatever the federal amount is. So we have 40% times 521, which results in a state EIC amount of $208, okay? Now, once you have that $208 amount, that amount is eventually flowing up here to line 57. So on page 4 of a New Jersey 1040, line 57, you can see there we have the New Jersey Earned Income Tax Credit. Okay, now 208, again, that's the piece that's flowing up from the worksheet, and that's the amount of credit he's going to get. So it's very, very important. I have to remind taxpayers often that the federal government has certain deductions, credits, and incentives, but you might also get the same ones depending on what state you are a resident. In New Jersey, like many states, have this EIC amount. So very, very important that if you are eligible for the earned income tax credit in New Jersey or in another state, the state itself might have an additional credit so you can get a little more money in your pocket to reduce your overall tax liability. Remember, we're trying to reduce our tax liability across both state and federal purposes, so the New Jersey state earned income tax credit can be very, very helpful. All right, so that covers it for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Thank you.